kami also associated with other natural forces. So, for example, they have shrines here where you ring the bell and pray at the shrine to various deities. But I've also seen people come here and specifically pray to the waterfall. And my Yamabushi guide explained to me that this waterfall, there is a powerful kami or nature spirit living in there. And that's why we make offerings. And so I'm not absolutely sure about this. I think he was saying that if you appease these nature spirits, then the divine kami, the kami that created Japan and the world and all of us, they too become pleased. So you work from the bottom up